Fingering is about which fingers you are recommended to use and consequently the position of the hand when playing piano. There are rules and instructions for fingerings in general and depends on the situation. When exercising scales, it is important to use the right fingering. Doing this gives a foundation for development of good techniques. Sometimes you will see instructions that tell you which fingers to use on what key by using the numbers 1 through 5 on the piano sheets. The thumb is the 1, the index finger is the 2, the middle finger is the 3, the ring finger is the 4, and the pinky is the 5 on both the right and the left hand. Some general tips about how to position your hand and use your fingers is: first, don't use your index finger exclusively. It is very easy to do. Use all your fingers because the movements that you make when using all your fingers will be more smoother and more economical. And in most situations, avoid using the thumb and the pinky on the black keys because your thumb and the pinky is your shorter fingers. But this is when you're playing the scales. When you're playing chords, it's going to be a little bit harder to not use your thumb or your pinky on when you're playing chords. But when you're playing scales or practicing your scales, try not to use the thumb on the black keys. Learn to play the piano without looking at the keyboard. This is something that takes much practice to achieve, but an important foundation is to position your hand correctly and use good technique or good fingering techniques. By using all fingers, you don't have to change the position of your hand as often or make long jumps with the same finger. This is critical when playing with only short glances on the keyboard.